Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the font size on Outlook. So for this you have to go first on your Outlook. Now go for view. Okay. Now go to the change view. After that you have to go for manage view. Okay, go for modify and go to other settings. Now you can change from your column font from here. You can change the font and font style, font size. So I'm just change the font size to 14. Okay, go for OK. Now go to row font and again go for 14 and go for font and go for 14 and you can custom color from here. I'll choose navy, then OK, again OK and OK again. Now you can see here all are OK. There is date and these are all changed. So guys, this is how you can change the font size on Outlook. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you.